friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. If you're new to my channel, I make educational and informative videos for CSES and CMA students as well as members. Today's video is regarding the announcement for login details for CSEET test that is scheduled on 9th January 2021 for CSEET students. So I'll be telling you what all is in the notification and the announcement. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it right now. The announcement is regarding in case you've not received your login credentials yet. Till now, if you've not received them for the test that is going to be held tomorrow, that is 9 January 2021, you have to go in this link to get your login details. So the screenshot for generating the login details will be somehow like this, like CSEET registration number, candidate name, details are given like CSEET registration number, date of birth, live test login ID, live test date, password, batch time and everything. And if you have any kind of technical issues during the test process, SEP process, you can outrightly call at the help desk number that is provided to you to resolve any kind of issue. So if you face any issue, you can directly call at these numbers to resolve any kind of technical issue. I hope you found the video informative. Share it with your friends who are going to sit tomorrow. All the best for your CSEET exam. Do it with patience and calm mind, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet.